Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back. So today we are showing you AUVON's monthly pill and medications organizer. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. So they do provide you with numbers as well as the day. If you want to add it on the side or on the top here to make it easier. Go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like. They come all nicely individually categorized. You pop one out. You got morning and night. Pop open the cap here. So they are pretty deep. You can put a nice amount of pills in. I would say they're about an inch deep and a little bit more than an inch wide. So an inch, about an inch high and a little more than an inch wide. But that can put a lot of pills in each one. So this is for a full month. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 16, 24, 32. Yeah, I was right, 32. So you got 32 different ones here. Because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 pill organizers. Pretty awesome, guys. Definitely help you to be reminded and keep your pills stored very nicely.